What is the algorithm? When people talk about the algorithm, what they mean is the statistical model that has been used to moderate the teacher grades put forward by schools and colleges. This statistical model took into account the school or college's prior exam performance and allowed for a 2% improvement on last year's grades for A level and 1% for GCSE overall nationally. The statistical model would not work when applied for very small cohorts. So for cohorts of 5 and under, the teacher grades have been used. For 5 to 15, a mixture of teacher grades in the model, and 15 and above had the statistical model applied. In doing this, the model gives an advantage to independent and private schools, where smaller cohorts are more common. It therefore is seen to disadvantage sixth form colleges and FE colleges, where they tend to have larger cohorts. But why did we have to use a statistical model? Well, when schools initially partially closed and exams were cancelled, teachers were asked to submit centre-assessed grades. This wasn't a mock grade, but rather looking at how well a student had done and predicting their performance in the exam on a good day. As well as this, teachers ranked their students for each subject. However, if this data had been used, there would have been an increase of 12% on last year's results for A level and 9% for GCSE grades. Because it is important to keep standards over time, Ofqual wanted to avoid grade inflation in the 2020 cohort and consequently moderated this down to 2%, increase for A level and 1% for GCSE. Sadly, although taking a big picture, it looks like pass rates are up, AA stars have increased at A level. The truth is the statistical model has produced grades that do not make sense for many students and do not reflect their ability. This means students are struggling to get into the university course or FE or apprenticeship courses, and with many BTEC grades still not released, students are in limbo without a full and clear appeals process properly in place.